Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest in global developments. Today, we delve into the ambitious project of Nusantara, Indonesia's future capital city, set to redefine the nation's landscape with its $33 billion vision. Nusantara, a futuristic capital city, is being built in the heart of the Indonesian jungle, and it's expected to be a game changer. This smart forest city, with a price tag of $33 billion, promises to be a high-tech metropolis powered by renewables and blending seamlessly into the surrounding environment. But is it too good to be true? The ambitious project has sparked debates about sustainability, environmental impact, and the feasibility of such a grand vision. Critics question whether the city's design can truly coexist with nature, while supporters tout it as a trailblazer for eco-friendly urbanization. As construction progresses, the world watches with a mix of skepticism and awe, eager to see if Nusantara can deliver on its lofty promises. Jakarta, the current capital of Indonesia, is overcrowded, polluted, and sinking into the ocean. The city's rapid growth, poor water management, and groundwater extraction have led to severe flooding and land subsidence. Jakarta is the fastest sinking city in the world, with some neighborhoods sinking as much as 11 inches a year. The situation has become so dire that the government has decided to relocate the capital to a new planned city on the island of Borneo. The relocation is expected to take around a decade and cost billions of dollars. However, experts believe that without drastic measures, large parts of Jakarta could be underwater by 2050. Nusantara is being built on a massive scale, covering an area 4 times larger than Jakarta and 40 times bigger than Manhattan. The city is designed to accommodate around 2 million people, with 65% of the city dedicated to green spaces, including forests, gardens, and parks. The remaining 10% will be used for farming, and only 1/4 of the city will be covered in buildings. The city's layout is designed to promote sustainability, with a focus on renewable energy sources and efficient resource management. The construction of Nusantara incorporates cutting-edge technologies and innovative architectural designs to create a modern, eco-friendly urban environment. The city aims to be a showcase of Indonesia's commitment to sustainable development and environmental conservation. Furthermore, Nusantara is expected to attract businesses and investments that align with its sustainable vision, fostering economic growth and job creation. By 2045, the city is projected to be a thriving metropolis, serving as a model for sustainable urban planning and development worldwide. Nusantara is designed to be a sustainable city, powered entirely by renewables, with 80% of journeys within the city made by public transport, walking, or cycling. The city's smart public transport system aims to connect residents to essential services within 10 minutes, no matter where they live. The urban rainforests that weave through the city will make Nusantara feel like a futuristic utopia. Additionally, Nusantara will prioritize green spaces and incorporate vertical farming techniques to promote urban agriculture and food security. The city will also implement cutting-edge waste management systems, aiming for zero waste through comprehensive recycling and composting initiatives. Furthermore, Nusantara's architecture will be designed with energy efficiency and sustainability in mind, incorporating features such as green roofs, solar panels, and smart building management systems. Nusantara's commitment to sustainability extends to its transportation infrastructure, with a focus on electric and hydrogen-powered vehicles, as well as dedicated bike lanes and pedestrian-friendly pathways. The city also plans to implement advanced water management systems, including rainwater harvesting and greywater recycling, to conserve this precious resource. Indonesia, an archipelago of over 17,000 islands, needs a more central and accessible capital city. Nusantara's location in East Kalimantan provides better connectivity between the government and the many parts of the country. The city's design also aims to redistribute resources and people away from the overpopulated island of Java, which currently makes up over 60% of the national economy. Additionally, the new capital city is envisioned to be a smart and sustainable metropolis, incorporating cutting-edge technology and environmentally friendly practices. Furthermore, it is expected to alleviate the burden on the current capital, Jakarta, which is sinking due to excessive groundwater extraction and is plagued by severe traffic congestion. Lastly, the relocation of the capital is seen as a strategic move to unlock the economic potential of other regions in Indonesia and promote more balanced development across the archipelago. The city's design, led by Indonesian architecture and design firm UrbanPlus, aims to capture the biodiversity of Indonesia and its rich cultural heritage. Elevated walkways will connect transport hubs, allowing residents to access the fully electric public transport system and navigate the hilly jungle terrain. Buildings on stilts will provide better airflow and rainwater dispersal throughout the city. Additionally, the city will feature extensive green spaces, including vertical gardens and rooftop parks, to promote a harmonious coexistence between urban living and nature. Sustainable building materials and energy-efficient technologies will be incorporated to minimize the city's environmental impact. Furthermore, the design aims to preserve and celebrate the local culture by integrating traditional architectural elements and public spaces for community gatherings and cultural events. Despite the ambitious plans, Nusantara is not without its challenges and criticisms. The project has been split into 5 phases, with tight deadlines, and the construction process has been slow due to severe tropical weather and supply chain issues. Funding is also a challenge, with 80% of the budget relying on domestic and foreign investments. Furthermore, critics argue that the plans have been rushed through Parliament without proper oversight, and the rights of indigenous peoples living on the site have not been adequately considered. Environmentalists have also raised concerns about the potential impact on the surrounding rainforests and ecosystems, as the new capital is being built on a former logging concession area. There are also questions about the long-term economic viability and sustainability of the project, given the high costs involved and the potential for corruption and mismanagement. Finally, some experts have questioned the necessity of building an entirely new capital city, suggesting that resources could be better spent on improving infrastructure and services in existing urban centers. Nusantara is a bold project that aims to address Jakarta's problems and provide a sustainable and futuristic capital city for Indonesia. While the plans are ambitious, the challenges and criticisms surrounding the project are significant. Will Nusantara succeed in becoming a model for sustainable urban development, or will it fall short of its promises? As the project moves forward, it is crucial to address concerns about environmental impact, indigenous rights, and social inequality to ensure Nusantara becomes a truly sustainable and equitable city. With its focus on eco-friendliness and technological advancement, Nusantara has the potential to set a new standard for urban planning in Indonesia and beyond. Ultimately, the success of Nusantara will depend on the Indonesian government's ability to balance competing interests and prioritize the well-being of its citizens and the environment. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video informative, don't forget to suggest topics you'd like us to cover next. Comment below to share your thoughts, give it a like, subscribe to stay updated with our latest content, and share this video with your friends. And remember, for more insightful videos, keep watching. Thanks for being part of our community.